From the Gorecast to the Wall Street forecast, the Dow is shooting for its best month in 46 years.
Stock futures have been down this morning, but overall the Dow is up over 14% this month. The index hasn't seen a monthly surge like that since September of 1976. Get out your disco best. NewsNation business contributor Lydia Moynihan joins us live. Lydia, why is the Dow doing so well if there is so much anxiety about inflation right now?
There's a lot of spookiness in the market, but it's not in the Dow Jones indices. It's sort of a tale of two indices, though, if you will, where we're seeing the NASDAQ slump pretty dramatically and the Dow spike over the last month. And a lot of people we've spoken with are saying this is just a result of the fact people need to put their money somewhere. And people are fleeing more sort of speculative stocks like Meta, like Amazon. They're leaving the NASDAQ and they're pouring money into sort of more blue chip companies that are in the Dow Jones, companies like Walmart and Disney that are seen as very reliable and safe. So it's sort of a tale of two indices that we're seeing.
Well, Lydia, the Federal Open Market Committee meets tomorrow and on Wednesday. And if you don't know what that means, it means interest rates are going up. So how high, how bad is it going to be, Lydia?
I think 75 basis points is pretty much baked in to all expectations at this point. We are looking at another dramatic hike. But I think what investors are really going to be looking for is not just what the Federal Reserve does, but what the Federal Reserve says and signals about its actions going forward. That is the key thing that people will be looking at. And there's a lot that the Fed has to cherry pick from. On the one hand, we're seeing the housing market slump and crater pretty dramatically. Are they going to look at that and say, you know what, we've done our job, we can kind of take our foot off the brake and ease these rate hikes? Or are they going to look to Europe, where inflation is at roughly 10.7%, and say, this is a global issue, we need to continue to be aggressive with those rate hikes? So there's a lot of data points they could choose to highlight, and so we're just going to be paying close attention to what exactly they say and what sort of expectations they set as we move forward.
Yeah, October has been great for the stock market, but if November begins with a 75 basis point rate hike and hints that they're going to raise it again when they meet in December, then November may be a different animal than October. Lydia Moynihan, thank you for joining us. I know we'll talk to you later.
Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.